I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the stage. Open YouTube and the other app you need, and free up memory by closing unused programs so playback won't stutter. Once done, enable picture-in-picture or split screen in your device settings. This creates two active windows. Make sure to use headphones for clean audio and mute or schedule notifications so interruptions don't steal focus. Doing these steps first keeps both apps responsive and minimizes battery drain while you work or watch. Next, you activate the display mode that fits your workflow. On mobile, drag the other app to the screen edge or tap YouTube's picture-in-picture button. On desktop, snap windows using Win plus arrow or drag into a corner. Once arranged, resize panes so the app you interact with stays reachable. Make sure audio focus is set to YouTube if you need sound, and test touch or keyboard controls to confirm both windows accept input. This step balances visibility and control without breaking playback. Finally, optimize settings and know how to fix common issues. If video stutters, lower quality to 480p or 720p. This reduces CPU and network load. If an app freezes, restart it, clear cache, or update to the latest version. These actions often resolve conflicts. Make sure battery saver or background data limits aren't throttling the secondary app, and when possible, use a wired connection for stability. If problems persist, reboot the device. That usually clears transient resource conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.